In today's video, I'm gonna give you a lot more information about something called the ketogenic diet or keto diet. You will learn what food you should eat, what food you should not eat, what are the health benefits, and also what are the downsides of using this ketogenic diet. The ketogenic diet is high-fat, low-carbohydrate eating plan designed to induce a metabolic state called ketosis, where the body utilizes fat as primary energy source instead of carbohydrates. This shift occurs when carbohydrate intake is significantly reduced, leading to the liver to produce ketones from the fat, which serve as alternative energy source. In the short, this means your body is fueling and get a lot more energy from the something called ketones instead of the foods. That's why you eat food that produce the ketones, and also you will go in the ketosis state that produce many health benefits. What are the health benefits of this ketogenic diet? First one is the weight loss. By minimizing carbohydrate intake and promoting fat burning, the keto diet can lead to significantly weight loss, especially in the initial stages. Second is improved blood sugar control. For individuals with diabetes type 2 or insulin resistance, the keto diet may help stabilize blood glucose levels by reducing carbohydrate consumption. Enhance mental clarity. Some individuals report improved cognitive function and mental clarity while in ketosis, potentially due to consistent energy supply from the ketones. Increase energy level. As the body adapts to the burning fat for the fuel, many experience sustained energy levels through the day. Some studies suggest that keto diet may improve certain cardiovascular risk factors such as triglyceride levels and HDL cholesterol. This is in the short. Ketogenic diet have many other health benefits, but this is in the short what you need to think about it. Also, ketogenic diet may have some other side effects that you need to really be aware of. First one is going to be keto flu. During the initial transition in the ketosis, some individuals may experience symptoms collectively known as the keto flu, including headaches, fatigue, dizziness, and irritability. These symptoms are typically temporary and can be mitigated by ensuring adequate hydration and electrolyte intake. Digestive issues. A sudden decrease in fiber-rich foods like fruits, legumes, and the whole grains can lead to constipation and other digestive discomfort, including non-starchy vegetables, and staying hydrated can help alleviate those issues. Electrolyte imbalance. Low carbohydrate diets such as keto diet can lead to reduction and retention of electrolytes like sodium, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. This imbalance may cause muscle cramps, fatigue, and in severe cases more serious health concerns. To counter this, it's essential to include electrolyte-rich food in your diet such as avocados, leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and consider supplementation. Also, studies shown that people who have liver problems, even kidney problems, but specifically liver problems, probably should avoid this ketogenic diet. In this part of the video, I'm going to give you information what food you should eat and what food you should avoid. Foods to include in ketogenic diet, it's going to be oils like olive oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, and the flaxseed oil. Butter and ghee, preferably from the grass-fed sources. Avocados, rich in monounsaturated fats and the fibers. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and the flax seeds. Proteins, consume moderate amounts of high-quality sources. Meats like grass-fed beef, pork, lamb, and the poultry. Fish like fatty varieties of salmon, mackerel, sardines, and the trout. Eggs, preferably free-range or pasture-raised. Low-carb vegetables. Focus on non-starchy options like leafy greens, spinach, kale, and arugula. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. Others like zucchini, bell peppers, and asparagus. Dairy products. Choose full-fat and unprocessed options. Cheese like cheddar, mozzarella, and goat cheese. Yogurt. Unsweet Greek yogurt. cream, heavy whipped cream. When you think about beverages, usually, of course, you're gonna drink water, especially maybe regular filtered water or still water. You can drink a variety of the teas, and of course, you need to think about it. Of course, with the coffee, adding heavy cream is acceptable, and one of the main sources of healthy ingredients for everyone on ketogenic diet is going to be bone broth. You have many information about bone broth on my video, but usually this is acceptable types of beverages that you can drink it each day. It's going to be water, coffee, teas, bone broth, everything is going to be okay. Food to avoid on ketogenic diet is going to be sugary foods. Sweets like candy, cakes and the pastries. Sugary beverages like soda, fruits juice and energy drinks. Desserts like ice cream and chocolate with high sugar content. Grains and the starches, high in carbohydrates, they should be avoided. Breads and pastas, including whole grain varieties. Rice and the cereal, all types including oats and quinoa. Starchy vegetables, potatoes, corn and the peas. Fruits are most kind of natural sugars like tropical fruits, bananas, mangoes and pineapples. Others like apples, oranges and grapes. Note, berries like strawberries and blueberries can be consumed in moderation due to the low sugar content. Legumes high in carbohydrates, beans, black beans, lentils and the chickpeas. Peas, green peas and the split peas. Unhealthy fats, avoid trans fats and high processed oils. Margarine, certain oils like corn oil, soybean oil and canola oil. Of course, you must avoid sugary drinks, as I said before, but also you must totally avoid alcohol. This is good for overall health, especially, of course, in your on ketogenic diet. And this video explains in the short what you need to know about this type of diet. For the last 25 years after I finished college, I'm working with the patients from all around the world. My specialty is natural remedies, nutrition and physical therapy and rehabilitation. Every year I help thousands of people from all around the world. If you want to know how you can cure your diseases through natural remedies and a healthy lifestyle, call my office, MarioLab Center in Croatia at +385 98 917 9200. Feel free to contact us through Viber, WhatsApp or visit my website MarioLab.hr, where you can find many more information about my work and how I can help you. I have put my knowledge of natural remedies and nutrition in my 3 books. My 3 books is about nutrition. First one is Intermittent Fasting, The Secrets of Health and Longevity, and next 2 are about nutrition and the natural remedies that can help you a lot. The books are also available on English language on my website MarioLab.hr. All information you have all below the video. My help is available to all of you from all around the world. If you are from North or South America, Africa, Asia, the Middle East, Australia or Europe, take advantage of my private phone consultation. Call my MarioLab Center right now, make an appointment, and I will make sure for you to get better in natural way with any kind of side effects, as I've been doing for the last 25 years.